Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how you can create some attractive and very easy thumbnails for your YouTube. So let's get started. So everyone, we are inside Canva. So now let me show you how easy it is to create a very attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So on the search bar, you just type YouTube thumbnails, which I already have because I've been making templates. So these are the variety of templates that's ready for you to use. And they have different colors, and you can change these colors, you can change the text, and you can change the photo, or you can just use the stock photo as well. It's totally fine. So we're gonna start with blank, the way I can show you how to make it. So after we're inside this blank templates, what we can do is we can choose which thumbnails we're gonna pick. So this is for free accounts, and you can tell when it's not for free account, like this one is for pro account only. So if you use this, you probably had to pay some money for this, and this one right here is for free account. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose this right here. So these thumbnails in here, you can use this on any niche that you want. Like for instance, you can use this for travel, food blog, a daily vlog, or beauty, or so on and so forth. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate these thumbnails on your own for your video, and then make it your brand. So we're going to start with deleting the picture. So as you can see, the picture is a stock photo. So I'm going to change this with my own picture. So since we have a free account, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a frame in here where I can just drop the picture and it will be inside the frame. So how to do that is we're going to go to elements, and I think I'm going to choose the circle or the round frame and put this on this side, make it a little bit bigger. And when you make this, when you pull on the side, it will not hurt the sizes or distort the photo at all. So now I'm going to drop my photo. So I go to upload, and this is all my photo. But if you are new to Canva and you haven't uploaded any photo, you can simply click the upload files, and then go to the folder that your photo is saved, and you just click the photo and you hit the open. So once you hit the open, it will be here downloading, and this upload button right here will turn to round blue circle, and it's like a water swimming. So for this one, I'm going to use this photo of mine, and I'm going to drop this inside the circle, and I'm going to double click this one. That way I can crop it to the way I want, and then I'm going to pull to the side, and then do it like this. That's good. And then hit done, and that's how my photo look. And if this is not my brand color, I'm gonna click this purple, this, just click here, and I will change this to by going to background color, this little icon right here. You click that, and let me turn this to yellow. And then this one, I can change this color to white. Is the white, that way it looks pretty. And then we'll do the second color, will make this a little bit darker, and then we're gonna make this a little bit smaller and put it to that side. Okay, so for this picture, everyone, if you're not happy how it looks, what you can do is you can go to elements, and you go to line and shapes. So for this one, we're gonna choose the round. So I'm gonna choose the sorry, I got double click. So I'm gonna choose the round, and I'm gonna turn this to white. So I'm gonna make this bigger, that way it'll match my picture. Sorry guys, my dog is walking around. So that's on the top of the picture. So I need this to be on the back. So what I'm gonna do is click this three button right here, and click the send to the back. And there you go. So now we just have to adjust this, that way the picture is in the center. Sorry, my dog. So now I want to change the text, all this decoration right here. So this one, I'm going to make this white. So the like the fire, it's like a fireworks. I'm going to make this white. That way it's kind of brighter. And I'm going to make the other one red. So like that. And I will make this right here white or black. No, I'll make it for this color. And then I will change this. I'm gonna do this how to make. And then this one right here, I'm gonna change this how to make 5,000. And I want this number to be spread a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is highlight. Go to this section right here, the spacing, and go to letters, the letter spacing. So I'm gonna adjust this until I'm satisfied of how it looks, and then just click anywhere. And then I'm gonna change this color as well, the purple to the same color. And then how to make 5,000 in a month, in 1 month. So spread this a little bit. So you have to adjust the text because sometimes the text can be a bit longer. So just adjust this until you are satisfied how it looks. And so now I am happy with how this template looks. What you can do is you're gonna name this, and this is, I'm gonna name this how to make money thumbnails. I mean, we can name this however you want to, but I always name my thumbnails to what I'm uploading. So after you make that one, you just click the share, click the download, and then you're gonna choose the JPEG. It make it so easier to upload on YouTube. And then after you click the JPEG, you hit the download, and this screen right here will show you that it's downloading, and it's really quick once when it started, and you'll see this message is complete. And then you'll see that on the bottom right here it says it's downloaded. So you go to your download images and stuff, and then you go to your YouTube and change, put that on the thumbnail section. So Canva is really easy, everyone, and I think you will enjoy it. And you can use you can use the free account or the pro account. It's up to you. But there's a lot of advantage using the pro account because you can remove the background on the video and the photo, and there's more like elements and templates that you can use using pro. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new videos. Until next time, bye-bye.